Bel Canto, beautiful singing, technique in estrade vocal class. My name is Oрлеана. I am vocal coach and I work for my YouTube channel Уроки Вокала Орлеана. Hi there, it's about time we get started. The purpose of this presentation is to introduce you to topic of my thesis. My talk is called Bel Canto technique in estrade vocal class.
In my opinion, there are four main point areas I want to talk about today.
Obviously, the main part are: what is Bel Canto, the term, homeland, and vocal technique, features. If you have any questions, I will be very happy to answer them in comments.
Okay, to begin, let's talk at this slide.
Possibly, as you are aware, the word Bel Canto were not associated with any particular style of singing until the early 1860s, when the composers began to designate in a nostalgic sense the singing style that began to disappear around 1830. First of all, they mean the style of singing which originated at the end of the 17th century. Of course, the Bel Canto term, or beautiful singing in English, includes a wide range of interpretations. Firstly, style of singing or especially music language. Secondly, style of compositional creativity, who created. Thirdly, vocal performance art and technique of singing, who sang, how to sing, how to extract the sound. And finally, pedagogical tradition, school, who taught to sing. That's all I have time for on the Bel Canto term.
Let's move on the next area.
The birthplace. The Bel Canto style originated in Italy and was associated with the development of the National Opera Art and Vocal School at the end of the 16th century. Bel Canto technique were formed on the basis of the phonetic features of the Italian language and the traditions of folk performances. As you know, a distinctive feature of the Renaissance, the secular nature of culture, its humanism and anthropocentrism, interest in man and his activities.
I think that covers everything on the terms homeland. Time is moving on.
So let's turn to the last area, vocal characteristics. As we were saying earlier, the Bel Canto sound has main vocal features such as naturalness and beauty of voice timbre, rich color of sound, evenness throughout the range, high level of control of singing breath, be able to make a legato. Sound connectivity is preserved in difficult places of the melody. Improvisational and virtuoso technique which is characterized by a smooth transition from sound to sound, relaxed sound extraction. And now I can give you an example. Have you got the time for it? Mirala Freni. Let's me sum up. Firstly, we looked at the meaning of the term Bel Canto. Secondly, we know the origin of the phenomenon of Bel Canto. And last, but by no means least, at the vocal features of beautiful singing. From my point of view, the secret for success in the feature is using experience of Bel Canto vocal technique in contemporary estrade vocal class. That bring me the end of my presentation. Are there any questions? Write in the comments. Okay, so I think that a good place to stop. Thank you for listening. Орлеана. Bye.